If you look up all the way up there, it's all the way up.
Like you lost another one.
Come study me, come see intelligence, come see perfection, come see excellence. Only in competition with myself, others are irrelevant.
That's another entryway. And this is the living room. This is the living room. You've got the kitchen area. It's a nice balcony in it, sorry. So you can see, look at the view. Look at the view. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. I'm very happy. So we can eat outside. And again, that's where you saw us go outside, listen to the, so we have a little bit of food out there. And there's the cooker, sofa, TV, dining table, absolutely love. Right, this is the other bedroom. Involved. Right, so this is the bathroom. It's a simple bathroom, but we've got a nice bright mirror. This is one room. I don't know if this one has a balcony as well. I've just realised. Oh, it's got like you can stand over kind of thing. Oh, yeah. So you got a view here. Shall I show you? This is the view. Very nice. A view of another apartment block. Yeah. This is the entryway, and this is another room. This is where the two little ones will sleep, and this one's got a nice balcony. All I wanted was a balcony, and we got a balcony overlooking Portugal, baby. Oh, there's no way. Oh, I thought it was shit. Is that us? This is super cute. Look at this chest. How beautiful is this chest? Beautiful. It's really cute. Right. So stay tuned for some amazing Portugal content. Good morning. This is the first morning. This is the first morning. This is the view. And I didn't realise how close to the ocean the sea, the beach. Wow, look at that. Look at that view. Stunning. I don't like hikes. It's another nice balcony. Just the balcony in the daytime. Balcony in the daytime. This is the view, guys. Stunning. It's really beautiful. This place is so good. Excuse the mess, but literally, we was gonna go get some washing up liquid, and I saw these in the cupboard. I was like, hold on, because it looks like this. Me not realizing it is actually a dishwasher. Yeah, really, really nice here. Yeah. The fridge is not packed. I mean, we got here really late yesterday. Managed to find a little shop. Don't even ask me if we managed to
bring a Jamaican party. That's one that saved my life when we arrived. I just warmed up a party. We got that, hold on, and then the freezer. So just did like a little shot, got a couple of pieces, and I froze off some ice yesterday. Bottled water. Actually, I need to do my nails. I forgot. I need to do my nails. But yeah. So I'm gonna load up the dishwasher, make some breakfast for these little ones. This is my view. Oh, stop it. This is my view. Stop it. I cannot. And wash machine as well. So yeah, you can just live your best life here, you know. We're here for a week, so or Tuesdays you choose it. We're leaving quite early on the Tuesday and we arrive quite late on the Tuesday, so we get about just under 6 days of Portugal to fully enjoy it, you know. Ooh, palm tree. Sounds like a bee to me. Somebody's watching me. It's me. Can you see me? Hey. You ran away. Oh, it's for sale. The main road. But I'm going to show you inside the apartment. So you see this first. It's like the road here. And it's just down here. So it's just here, as you can see, Pedro dos Bicos. This is the hotel here. So they've got loads of apartments, as you can see, and you've seen our apartment. Okay, so this is the entrance, and we're gonna have a little look. I'm not sure which way. I'm gonna ask them. And this is the reception area. Sorry, hi. I wanted to see where your main dining area is. Is it just through here? Downstairs. All right, thank you. Okay, so you're coming through here. Some of the rooms. You've got a lift here. So yeah, as I said before, we're in an apartment, but I've seen some beautiful pictures of this place. So that's the dining area. It's down here. The hotel's rooms are upstairs. Ooh, and I think they've got a pool down here as well. This is really pretty. It's really nice. Okay. Hello. Let's see if I'm missing anything down here. I think that's just like another walkway. You've got steps here. Little cozy seating area there. That's quite nice, isn't it? And then, oh, this is the dining area. We've got a bar. There's the piano. This is what I wanted to see. Look how lovely that is. There's the bar area. Oh, look at that. So, if you look up all the way up there, there's all the way up. So nice. And all the rooms around here. Very nice. And we've got, hi, hello. This is like the menu and stuff. Okay, let's have a little look through here. This little restaurant, a little dining area. It's here. But I think it goes onto a pool. Let's see. Just here, I suppose, coffee and stuff. And then there's another bar. And yeah, a pool. This is not the, this is a different pool. Let's have a look. It's another pool area, but that leads onto the back. So I think this is the same one because you can see the blocks there as well. But yeah, my thing is, nobody's ever swimming I don't understand. Like, nobody's ever swimming, so like, I just go to the sea. But yeah, it's beautiful, pretty. We're gonna go back up. It's so nice. So I'm glad I got to see. I'd love to take a picture by the piano. But I can't get a picture. I should have a nice picture in here. It's so cute. Okay. So that is the inside of the hotel part. You've seen the apartments. Yeah, so you know what? I'll definitely give it a high rating. The hotel rooms look gorgeous. I haven't even been inside. Look at these. The outside of them is gorgeous. So yeah, I love it. Absolutely beautiful. And yes, that's a little tour. It's beautiful. So we're gonna go out now to the beach again, if I can find them. Oh, there he is. You ready to go? Yeah, so absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's so nice. It's nice to have seen inside. Again, that is. Can you see the sign? See it there? I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, yeah. We're going to go and head to the beach now. So you'll see all the videos in different parts. This is the hotel review. Drop a comment if you're traveling here or if you've been at this hotel and what you think, or if you have any questions.